Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Aarti. In today's video, by the title you guys already know what it is, but I am going to share my Nykaa Pink Friday 2020 recommendations. Now this is typically their annual sale that runs on Nykaa, where all the brands or most of the brands usually go up on sale. It's like their typical Black Friday kind of a sale. So I'm really excited to be sharing, and all of these recommendations do save you guys a lot of money. And I feel like these are much more if you want to buy or you have been eyeing these products, you can buy them now and save a lot more money than buying them on a regular day. So let's get started. Also keep in mind that I have both drugstore as well as high-end products, so let's get started. The first product that I have, or the first brand that I want to talk to you guys, is definitely gonna be Huda Beauty. Now Huda Beauty is up to 40% off. Also I will leave all the links in the description box. You guys can go check it out, and also I will leave the pictures about the particular products that I'm talking, because you will definitely love these. So Huda Beauty is also on sale. It is up to 40%. Now the palette that I recommend for you guys is the remastered palette. I also have the Desert Dusk palette right here, and look at these colors. These are beautiful colors. This palette is on my eyes today, and I really like how beautifully this eyeshadow palette is. I've been using it for a really long time, and I know that I think I got this probably last year, or I don't remember when I got this palette, but I have been using this non-stop, and this is a beautiful palette. So definitely go check out there. This is the Desert Dust palette. I know that this is at 2,600 on their site now. There are also the remastered palette, and the small the 9 eyeshadow palettes are also on sale. So definitely go check it out. Those are an amazing steal, and I think if you wanted to try Huda Beauty, this is the right time, because I don't think you can ever find them much more affordable than this. The next thing is also a foundation, and this is from Huda Beauty again. This is their Faux Filter foundation, and you guys, this foundation is amazing. And the reason I say it's amazing is because when I got the foundation, I did not even remove this for the sake of the video. It says 1 to 2 drops. Let me focus. Right behind the bottle it says 1 to 2 drops for full coverage. And it's so true. I think half a pump is enough for my entire face. This foundation is on my face today, and I wanted to go not for a full foundation, but like a normal foundation. I just wanted to cover up here and there, and this foundation is amazing. One pump is so much for my face, and I feel like half a pump works. And this is for about 1,600 today at the site as I'm talking today. So again, I will leave all the links in the description box. Go check it out. And the last couple of products from Huda Beauty that I want to recommend to you guys are their lipsticks. Now this is the Bullet lipstick. This is in the shade Honeymoon. I have it on my lips with another color, but this is a beautiful shade. I love how beautiful and pigmented these are. And if you are somebody who wants to try the lipsticks and you prefer Bullet lipsticks, definitely go ahead with this. This is a beautiful shade. And the last two lipsticks also from Huda Beauty is their liquid mattes. I had this entire set of 4 and I couldn't find any more, but these are those nude shades. This is Wifey and this is Venus. I love these shades, and if you're somebody who's into nudes, definitely go check these out. These are amazing. The next products that I have are from Clinique. Now this is the Clinique Dramatically Different Hydrating Jelly. But the reason I'm trying to tell you guys to try Clinique is if you are somebody who's actually wanting to try Clinique, or searching for a product that is not having any fragrances, or you genuinely want to try Clinique, their kits are amazing. I think there is one kit called as a Medi Moisture Surge kind of kit. I don't remember. I will leave the picture right here and also the links in the description box. But trying products in kits is the best time, because you will understand how well a product works for your skin and you're not putting a lot of money. So outside, I think if I buy this product as a whole, I think this is for about 2,000 to 3,000 rupees. In a set, I am getting all 2 to 3 products together for about 2,000 rupees. So I feel like this is a much more affordable, and it is a deal. It's a good deal. So definitely try Clinique products. I will leave the picture right here. And if you're somebody who loves your moisture surge, this is an amazing product to try. The next product that I want to talk to you guys is from Laneige. Now I have two of their lip balms. It's the same variant, but I have two because I love this. This is their lip sleeping mask in berry. They have three different shades, fragrances or something like that. One is, I think, lemon, grapefruit, and something else. I don't remember. But I will leave the picture here, and I feel like this is a must. If you guys love this, you will love that. And if you guys not have tried this, definitely give this a shot. You will love it, and these work wonderful to your lips, and they do not dry out your lips or chap out your lips. And I feel like the word lip sleeping mask, you apply it like, for example, any other lip balm that I have. When I apply it in the morning, it kind of pills off during the day, but this does not. It stays real good and it gives good moisturization. And I feel like for the winter season, this is a best buy. The next combo that I have are from Farsali. This is their Rose Gold Elixir 24 karat gold infused beauty oil, and the other one is their liquid glass. These two are on the combo duo right now. I will pop up a picture here. This is a best set. I use this as a primer right in front of the makeup, like right before starting my makeup, before my foundation, and after my moisturizer. I have it on my face today as I speak. I love this so much. I've already used it a lot. I don't know whether you guys, yeah, it's already half done, and I know that I'm definitely going to repurchase the bigger bottle. And this is the Farsali 24, this is their Rose Gold Elixir. Now this elixir is really good, and I feel like investing in a good beauty oil is a must, because during winter seasons, at least personally for me, I tend to get a lot more dryness around my nose area or near my nose. So I feel like using beauty oils is much more easy and much more nourishing rather than using a moisturizer. So I definitely tell you guys to try this. I've heard mixed reviews about this, but I personally like it. So, and I am a normal skin type. So I'd say if you are somebody who's searching or who's been eyeing Farsali, try this. This is the best combo you can get. The next product that I want to talk to you guys, or the next brand that I want to talk to you guys, is from Bath & Body Works. Now, Bath & Body Works has this beautiful offer of buy two get two free, and I love Bath & Body Works. I already have their wallflower plugins. Now this is like those fragrances wherein you can just plug it into your socket and you can have that fragrance all around the room. I love these so much. And their Christmas candles, I don't need to talk about Bath & Body Works candles. They're amazing and you guys know that. But their candles are to die for. I already have one that's burning. I think that is a cactus blossom or something. But I'm definitely gonna buy at least 2 more candles from them because I love them so much. The next products that I have are 2 mascaras that I want to talk to you guys about. The first one is both of these are waterproof for this particular season, but this is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational. I don't need to tell anything about this mascara because this is an amazing mascara. Another one with this I have is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. I have this on my eyes now and I love this so much. These two are the only waterproof mascaras that I tend to use during this season. I like using other mascaras, and preferably I like using non-waterproof mascaras, those that I can easily remove. But I like using these during the winter seasons because I don't want, like, you know, the water to just run down and all of that. But definitely give it a shot, and I feel like these are an amazing product. There are a bunch of high-end products, I do understand in this video, but the reason I am recommending high-end products is because this is the right time to purchase when they're on sale. And if you want to try out some products, I will give you guys a beautiful comparison. One of the best foundations out in the market is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and now this is typically for about 500 rupees, I want to say. And the least this can go is for 300 rupees, that we can buy any day, any single day. But this one, this is the Huda Beauty's 4-filter foundation. Now this on a typical day is 3,300 rupees, and on sale it's for 1,600. So it's like 50% off. I do know that 1,600 is not an affordable price, but if you are somebody who wants to try out products from Huda or any other high-end products, I feel like this is the right time to make use of the sale. So another one product that I have for you guys is the Nykaa's Skin Potion Facial Oil. I can't speak for oily skin girls, but if you're a normal to dry skin type, I feel like facial oils during the winter season is an amazing thing that you can give your face. And this Nykaa Skin Potion Anti-Acne Facial Oil is really good. I'm not saying just buy this, but any facial oil in is good to invest during the season. And I think there are a bunch of other facial oils like I want to say Plum has some, and then there are a bunch. Beautyco has some facial oils, and I feel like it's a really good time to start investing in facial oils because it kind of gives good amount of nourishment for a very little product. Like you can just take a half a pump and it's enough. You don't need to lather up so much. So yeah, with that we come to the end of a video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and come join my family. It will mean a lot to me. And I definitely know there is a haul video that's coming up pretty soon with all these products that I have purchased from the Nykaa Friday sale, Pink Friday sale. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.